So we are going to learn the multiple choice question of or learn or understand how the questions would be in our paper one or another one. So we'll start with the plasma. So these are your questions. Question number one. Which substances dissolved in human blood plasma? Glucose, hormones, and urea. Yes, it's correct. Next one is, wait, what's not working? Okay. Which chamber of the heart has the thickest muscle wall? Which chamber? Sorry, the left ventricle. Yes. Just give me a minute. I don't know why it's not working. Pen is not working. Okay, now correct. The diagram shows the human heart and some of the blood vessels connected to it. Before blood reaches Z, so this would be your left part. Yes. So it must what? Pass through the capillaries where? In the lungs. Yeah, in the lungs. Next one. Next one is about, again, okay, related to the carbon dioxide and oxygen. So the next question is, which blood vessel has the highest concentration of carbon dioxide and the low concentration of the oxygen? It's pulmonary artery, yes. Very nice. I wasn't expecting such good answers from you because you said I haven't revised this part. Okay, the diagram shows a section through the heart. Which part pump blood to aorta, the biggest artery? Yeah, it's the left ventricle, so it would be C. Next one is the diagram showing a section. Wait, let me copy the question. So it's a blood vessel in the lung, in the leg. Okay, and by the diagram you can easily guess which which type of blood vessel is this. It's vein. So what type of blood vessel is shown? First of all, it's vein, and in which direction the blood flows? So it would be C or D, from Q to P. Correct. Now let's move to the next question. The next question is again about veins. Which statement is correct for most veins in the human body? They carry blood at high pressure? No, the blood pressure is low. In the veins, they have valves. So they take blood away from heart? No, they take blood towards the heart. Okay, next part. The diagram shows a vertical section through a human heart. Where what are X and Y? Okay, X is right atrium and Y is left ventricle. So our answer would be C. Let's move to the next one. Okay, a diagram related to blood cells. So I've told you that you need to learn how the blood cells look like. You should know the diagram because this is really important. So there are four blood cells are given: lymphocyte, phagocyte, red blood cell, and platelet. So which component usually causes the blood to start clotting? It's D. Platelets. What is A and B? Okay. And C is the red blood cell. Good. The diagram shows four different stages in one heartbeat. So in this stage, the atria are basically contracted. In this stage, the ventricles are contracted. Let's write. In R1, the valves open, which are between atria and ventricle. And what is happening in D? The blood is transported through the pulmonary or blood vessels. Let's say blood vessels are involved. So what is correct order for the stage is after stage P? Okay, if this is the first phase, what would be second phase, what was a third stage and fourth stage? Yes, so they contract and the valves open and the blood moves into ventricle. Then then ventricle contract and blood moves into the blood vessels. Mainly they go to aorta or the pulmonary artery. So it would be B. Okay, let's move to the next one.